subtotals, item counts, plus signs, and customers' names. Can you guess what all of these have in common and on what app? If you guessed Doordash and hidden information from the driver, you would be correct. But the bigger question is, why? Well, let's go find out. Welcome back, everyone. It is Kim from Kim's Side Money Plans, here for the RideShare Guy. In this video, I'm going to cover why I think Doordash is hiding more and more information from drivers, why it matters in making good, informed decisions, and you are going to want to stick around until the end, because even without all of this info, you can still make money on Doordash, and I'm going to show you how. Doordash in the past couple of months has taken away some or all of this information, making it harder and harder for drivers to make good decisions. Why does Doordash do this? Do I have all the answers? No, because frankly, I'm just not Doordash. But what I do know, Doordash's main objective is to always get every order delivered at any cost, mainly at the cost of the driver, hence the Diamond program. But it doesn't stop there. The more information they hide from the driver, the more likely between the Diamond program and making money, eventually drivers will just start taking orders, even if they really didn't want to take it. Well, that can be a theory, but is it true? Well, that's my speculation. Let me know why you think Doordash is actually really hiding this information. Some of you might just think, who cares? What's the big deal? But it is a big deal. They are being less and less transparent with all drivers. When you think it can't get worse, oh, it does. When you think of the things I previously listed, let's break it down a little further. Let's start with subtotals. I personally use subtotals to understand the order and try to figure out how much my total payout as a driver might be at the end of the order. By knowing Doordash suggests 10% to 15% tipping on most orders on the Doordash apps for customers, simple math would actually give me the tip amount that I actually might get. Add $2.75, which is my standard base pay in my area, and that would potentially be my total pay. Would it be right 100% of the times? Nope. But I would get it pretty darn close. But I had a general understanding what I should be receiving unless the customer was just a complete total jerk. Next is item counts. For me, it is the biggest thing that has hindered my decision making on Doordash. There is a big difference from knowing an order has 2 items versus 10 items. Would you be more likely to take a $6.75 plus Diamond order for 2 items or a $6.75 plus Diamond order for 10 items? I used to make most of my decisions with all of my large payouts based on item counts. Once I made my decisions because of the high item counts, pair it with seeing subtotals after accepting the order, it would be a match made in heaven. And also, fishing for those really big payouts was a win-win. Now, without it, I'm just flying blind. But the good news is, if you are on the large order program, Doordash shows you item counts and lets you know if it's over $100 just by saying catering bag required. So once again, that's for the large order program, but it's pretty awesome. For a couple of weeks, the plus sign went away in my area, indicating it was a hidden tip order. Hidden tips equal more money, and more likely as a driver, you would take the order. Without the plus sign, you're guessing $6.75 order may or may not go up. What does Doordash get out of this? They get more orders delivered, banking most drivers will take $6.75 or more, guessing there might be more money, and then the drivers are just disappointed when they really just picked the wrong order when it doesn't go up. It has since gone away in my area, thank God, and plus signs are back. But for a while, it was a guessing game that you didn't always win. a lot of times. Lastly, customer's name, and this might sound trivial, but it really isn't. Recently, you didn't know the customer's name until you hit arrive at restaurants. Some drivers, you might not think this is a big deal. Well, when you have customers who order over $200 worth of food and only tip $5, you tend to remember their name. So when they show up on your phone again, most likely you're gonna unassign the order quicker than it actually came in. Why? Because why get burnt twice? And this really did actually happen to me. No customer names, no item numbers, no plus signs. These were all easy indicators to not take orders like this. Once again, less information, bad decisions could lead to really less money. But with all of these obstacles DoorDash throws in our way, we are smarter than this, drivers. You can still make money even if you feel like your hands are tied behind your back in some of this hidden information. You now need to rely a lot on the knowledge of your restaurants to make the best decisions that are going to bring you some of those awesome payouts and make you more money as a driver. I have said in previous videos, know your restaurant and do your own market research. You need to know what restaurants are your sit-down and higher paying subtotal restaurants. Experienced drivers, you know who these restaurants are. Trust your instincts. If you are new to DoorDash, turn on the DoorDash app for customers and spend time going through restaurants in your own area, looking how much appetizers are, how much entrees are. Once you get to know how much these items are, you can do simple math subtotals in your head, and then you can figure out, even after you accept the order, what your payout might or should be if the order is worth doing. I always base my DoorDash decisions now on plus signs, which are back in my area, and if it is a Diamond Plus, and also the restaurant. There are about 10 restaurants in my area that are high-end restaurants that I know if they come in as a Diamond Plus, I accept them 90% of the time, making me the most amount of money and also maximizing my time while I'm out on the road. Gone are the good old days of the way DoorDash used to be. In order to make money, unfortunately, you as a driver need to adapt and overcome some of these obstacles that they put in your way in order for you to make money on the DoorDash platform. Should it be this difficult? Absolutely not. We are independent contractors. We should be making the best decisions based off of full transparency, but unless things change, that will not be the case anytime soon. Still make the best decisions for yourself as a driver, but make smart decisions based off of the information that is presented right in front of you and what you know about your own restaurants in your own area. So let me know, what is the one thing DoorDash has taken away this past year that you absolutely hate? Who knows? Maybe the more comments, maybe it might gain their attention. Did I miss something that has been taken away in your own area that I didn't cover? Let me also know. Are you new to this channel? What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and make sure that that bell is turned on so you know when the latest videos are released. Everyone, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Looking for more DoorDash content? Don't forget to check this one out right here. I'll be back next week. Until then, bye everyone.